As a property owner, are you aware of the signs of a roof leak in multifamily HOA development roofing in Northglenn, Colorado? Identifying roof leaks early is crucial to prevent costly damage and ensure the safety of your residents. The first sign to watch out for is water stains or discoloration on the ceiling or walls. These may appear as dark spots or patches, indicating water dripping from above. Sagging or bulging areas on the roof can also indicate a leak. This could be due to accumulated water or structural issues. It's crucial to address this quickly to prevent further damage. Mold or mildew in your attic can point to roof leaks. When roof leaks allow moisture into the attic space, mold, mildew, and bacteria can build up, causing structural damage and illness. Another sign is missing or damaged shingles. Shingles protect your roof, but water can easily seep in if they're broken or torn off. It's crucial to address roof leaks immediately to prevent that further damage. If you've noticed any of these signs in your multifamily development, call Roof Worx in Adams and Weld Counties at 303-353-1825 for a free quote.